It is a great pleasure to be part of the team putting together this year's program for the Chinese New Year, also known as Lunar New Year. It is one of the most important holidays in the world, and it's the time when families get together. I'm so excited to be here to celebrate this very special occasion with you all, my Landon family.
This holiday, it's also called Lunar New Year or the Spring Festival, and it's celebrated in many different Asian countries, not just China, and marks the start of springtime.
I'm going to briefly talk about the way and greetings of the Lunar New Year. There are many ways to make good wishes to the family and friends. For example, 恭喜发财 or 吉祥如意, that means happiness and prosperity, and is usually used when receiving gifts or lucky money in the red pot envelope.
新年好呀，祝福大家新年好。
The Lunar New Year is a holiday like no other. My family has been celebrating the Lunar New Year since I was born. Chinese New Year has been a way to bring the Chinese part of my family together and celebrate it as one whole family.
What word comes to mind when thinking about Chinese New Year? Tradition.
Family.
A reunion.
When I think of Chinese New Year, I think of celebration.
Food.
The first word that comes to mind when I think about Chinese New Year is luck or fortune.
A word that that comes to my mind when I hear the phrase Lunar New Year is tradition.
What word comes into mind when you hear the phrase Chinese New Year? Mooncakes.
If I could describe Lunar New Year in one word, it would be identity, because I can't imagine recognizing myself living a whole year without celebrating Lunar New Year even once.
The 2019 Landon-in-China trip spent our first 11 days in China, in Beijing, the capital city of China. We had a chance to climb the famous Great Wall, visit the gorgeous 17th century constructed Summer Palace, as well as visiting the equally breathtaking Temple of Heaven and Forbidden City.
According to the Chinese zodiac, 2021 is the year of the ox. The Chinese New Year will start on February 12, 2021, and it will last until January 31st of 2022. This year is going to be lucky. In the Chinese zodiac, the ox is very hardworking and methodical. 2021 will be a year when hard work will get rewarded and problems get resolved with discipline and organization. So good health and Happy New Year.